So in reality, you're losing purchasing power every single year. And that's why investing is not optional anymore. It's necessary. But before we jump into investing, we need to talk about something critical. Your safety net. This is called an emergency fund. And yes, it might feel like this is slowing you down, but in reality, it's protecting your future. Let's say you invest your entire $1,000 today, and next week, your car breaks down. Repair cost? $600. Now what happens? You're forced to sell your investments. And what if the market is down at that moment? You lose money, not because you made a bad investment, but because you had no backup plan. This is why smart investors always prepare first. So here's what you do. Keep at least $500 to $1,000 in a separate account, something safe. Now let's talk about where your money should actually go. This is where most beginners get confused. They start searching best stocks to buy right now, or how to double money fast, and they end up taking unnecessary risks. But smart investing is actually very simple. Instead of trying to pick one winning stock, you invest in many companies at once. This is done through something called an index fund. Now let me simplify this. Imagine you walk into a grocery store, and instead of buying one item, you buy an entire basket of products. That's exactly what an index fund does. For example, an S&P 500 index fund includes the top 500 companies in the US. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, and hundreds more. So when you invest in it, you're not depending on one company's success. You're investing in the growth of the entire economy, and historically, this strategy has worked incredibly well. Over the past decades, the market has consistently grown over time. Yes, there are crashes, there are bad years, but long term, it trends upward. Here's what makes this strategy powerful. You remove emotion, you remove guesswork, you remove stress. You're not checking stock prices every hour. You're not panicking during drops. You're simply letting time do its job. And time is the biggest advantage an investor has. Now you might be thinking, this sounds good, but how do I actually start? The answer is simple. Use investing apps. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab make it incredibly easy. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need experience. You just need to create an account. Link your bank. And start small. Even $10. Even $50. The goal is not perfection. The goal is starting.